What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I make my previous video right here at this point, and I told you that this asset was in the process of breaking the range of 0.382, this level at $8.48. And I told you that if this asset breaks this level, and by the way, I found this level by pulling a FIBA retracement tool from this top to this bottom. And if the breakout happens with the conviction of volume, definitely we might see the retest of this range of resistance. And guys, as you can see, we had this breakout, but we don't have a confirmation of volume down here. And this means we have to wait for more signs of its potential trend. And by the way, I made a lot of videos on SOFI. I predicted basically the majority of its movements from this top. I told you that we have to retest at least $8.5. Then I drew this green rectangle, and this was the range of accumulation for the price targets. First price target was at $8 mark, and second price target was at $9.3 mark. And as you can see, we hit both of them with the flying colors, and this shows how powerful technical analysis is. By the way, guys, if you want to enhance your trading skills, if you want to know more about technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. And in my opinion, it is quite fair deal. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of its recent price action? I have to admit that if you try to search any recent news directly related to SOFI stock, you will not find a lot of them. I have to say that you have to rely only on indirect catalyst, so-called indirect catalyst. If you take a look right here on the list of companies who made their forecast on SOFI, you can see that since the end of January of this year, we don't have any new updates. And the most recent one was from Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs and Mizuho. And two out of these three companies set the price target that are currently below our current price, and only one set to $12. And the consensus analyst price target is not so high. It is at about $8.78, which implies only 3.19% of upside potential from our current price. And guys, if you take a look right here on the list of institutional investors, first of all, I want to show you this chart. And this is the institutional ownership of SOFI. And here you can see green bars represent the number of shares owned by institutionals, and black line shows the price of SOFI. And we have the highest number of shares owned by institutional investors for almost a year and a half, and this is definitely a good sign. On top of that, guys, just recently Cathie Wood added to her position and basically her fund ARKK added to their position on SOFI, and definitely this might be also quite good sign. And if you take a look on the list of institutional investors in general, you also can see the more bullish sentiment than the bearish one, because we have more green rows than the red ones, and all of the updates from different companies are pretty much positive. And that is why SOFI is quite lucrative asset in the medium and long-term holdings. But what should we expect next in the short-term perspective? Guys, take a look right here. We are on a data-driven investing official Twitter account, and here was the problem that was disclosed by this tweet just yesterday. And it is the problem of possible tax refund disaster for SOFI. And I don't want to dig deeper inside this news. It was quite severe news, but let me show you what did SOFI do. So just 5 hours ago we have this tweet from SOFI, and let me quote it for you. SOFI members can file their 2023 tax returns and receive refunds electronically into their SOFI checking and savings accounts. A limited number of members experienced a delay receiving their refund if they opted to pay for tax services with their anticipated refund. We've resolved that issue for members moving forward. SOFI has successfully received millions of dollars in refunds electronically already this year and continues to be a safe and trusted place to deposit your refund. And guys, it might be not so impactful news in terms of SOFI price, but it is very important news for SOFI customers. And we know that they are consistently increasing their user base, and definitely this type of issues that were solved in shortest period of time leads to very good relationships in between customers and company itself. And at the same time, this is a very good for their reputation, and this should lead to the price of SOFI. And guys, I have to say that the price from the technical standpoint is in nowhere territory. And by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we are on the nowhere territory because if we try to count the movement to the upside from this low, we can see only two waves. And we know that we cannot have two waves in an impulsive wave. And then we have a breakout below this previous bottom. This means as a motive wave, this movement was invalidated. And if it is the case, guys, we are in trouble. Potentially we are in trouble because we might have 5 waves on trend direction and 3 waves on the opposite direction. And this means for now, as long as this pivot holds and this pivot holds, we cannot assume any trend for SOFI. Only on a smaller scale, as you can see, I made this a breakdown for its latest movement. And for now, if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we hit exactly golden pocket range and had a very good reaction. And so far, we didn't break even this swing high in order to conclude that we might have the next leg to the upside. That is why, guys, wait for more confirmation, wait for the confirmation of the breakouts above previous swing highs or swing lows with the confirmation of volume, with the conviction of volume. And if it happens, we might make a conclusion on which direction this asset will go in a short and medium term perspective. That is why, guys, I don't suggest you to enter your position at this very point, because all of the indicators are pretty much in neutral territory, and everything will depend on the market sentiment in general and on upcoming news directly related to SOFI. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium